Hey everyone, welcome back to another banger. Guys, this is a morning vlog. I just want to post regularly on YouTube. I just opened my closet is so dirty. As you can see, this is yesterday's training clothes. Need to wash them out and clean them for later on. And that is my bed. I need to make my bed. But yeah, let's do that, and I'll take you through my morning. Yo, I have a lot to do here. My couch full of clothes just because I came from camp and I've been busy. And then it's a lot of work, guys. It's a lot of work. But for now, let me take these ones. All this water's running. Need to take care of my teeth, Use this one. I don't know. Yeah. But first, let me just go get a nice breakfast. I'm gonna leave my phone. I'm sure South Africans will know what it is. I have to leave my phone. Yay. Okay, most of y'all don't know the new area I'm living in, but it's a very dangerous area. So yeah, I'll see you guys now. Diamond again. We change things.